Health, Telesca, aware kids avoid AIDS contagion. Trieste, 1 December, guys, do not be fooled by diseases. This is the appeal that the regional health counselor, Maria Sandra Telesca, addressed to high school students attending the high school hall of the Caterina Percoto High School in Udine. The Multidisciplinary Institute hosted a morning awareness campaign promoted by the Infectious Diseases Clinic of the Integrated University Healthcare Agency of Udine, ASUIUD, in collaboration with the Prevention Department of the same ASUIUD, the municipality of Udine and the RCGA on the occasion of the World AIDS Day. A meeting, explained Telesca, that goes in the direction of informing to prevent, because these are the weapons that we have to put on the field against the disease, AIDS, which today we talk little, but that has not been eradicated. Witnessing increasing numbers, and this leads us to equip ourselves even more in spreading good information that lead to healthy lifestyles. The conference has developed on data, testimonies and projections of film clips. It was the director of the Infectious Diseases Clinic, Matteo Bassetti, who provided the guide tools. Firstly, it is necessary to distinguish between the HIV virus and the AIDS syndrome. All the subjects who contract AIDS are seropositive, but fortunately not all the subjects who come into contact with HIV are contracting AIDS. Hence the importance of preventing HIV, which is afflicted by almost 37 million people worldwide, with Eastern Europe and Central Asia in a more critical phase, to degenerate into AIDS. As many as 17 million people in the world affected by HIV are in drug therapy. To avoid HIV infection and numerous sexually transmitted diseases, Bassetti explained, it is necessary to use condoms in sexual relations and periodically undergo the HIV test, which must become routine as is done for the blood test. If you think you have contracted a sexually transmitted disease, you should contact a doctor immediately. Bassetti reiterated to the students some clarifications on how sexual diseases are transmitted, through unprotected intercourse, blood transfusion, rare case, but also through piercing and tattoos, if these have not been practiced by sterilizing needles. You do not get infected, explained Bassetti, with hugs, kisses, contacts and baths, showers or pools, or through mosquito bites. The Director General of Udine University Integrated Healthcare Agency, Mauro Delandi, highlighted the importance, especially for young people, of facing, through initiatives such as today's, the many fakes that run on social networks, because the true source of information it is reached through the exponents of the scientific world. One of the red threads of the morning to the Percoto was the warning from prejudices, the wrong message that AIDS was the disease of the last and a different, so Bassetti. The meeting also revealed the need to contextualize the theme of prevention in a wider cultural framework. ARC, PPH, FC,